Let's look at this week's vocabulary words. The words are admire. Admire is a verb and it means to think highly of something or to like it. The players admire the coach because she is smart and kind. Next, attach, also a verb. It means to join or connect something. Use the tape to attach the note to the door. Next is handle. Handle can be a noun or a verb. If it's a noun, it's the part that you use to lift or hold, like to pull on the handle to open the door. If it's a verb, it means to take care of something. For example, a plumber can handle the problem if you have a leaky pipe. Major is an adjective. It is something of great importance or size. Heavy rain was a major cause of the flood. Passenger is a noun. A passenger is someone who travels in a vehicle but is not the driver. The passenger fell asleep in the car. Prepare is a verb. It means to get ready for something. We will prepare for the birthday party by getting hats, candles, and cake. Separate or separate. When you separate things, you sort them or set them apart. Please separate the dark clothes before putting them in the washing machine. When we say they are separate, they are not joined. Two sisters have separate bedrooms. Similar. Similar is an adjective. Things that are alike are similar. It is hard to tell the two drinks apart because they have a similar taste. Slender is thin, skinny. The slender tree branches snapped off in the storm. Task is a job. When you stay on task, you do your job. Each weekend during the fall, my task is to rake the leaves. And that is it for Unit 14.